I come to Manipur. My submission to my certificate, mark sheet, emission for this college.
Okay, I understand you. So you are here for getting admission in our college.
Yes, you're right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Show me your documents.
Sir, this my document for A to Z.
Is it your passport photo?
Yes, and I look very good, very handsome.
This is not your photo.
Oh, this is my father's photo.